Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, go to Instagram. Then select the profile that we want to deactivate. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars: Settings and Privacy. Media Account Center. Select Personal Details. Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation or Deletion. Instagram Account. Next, select Deactivate Account. Click Continue. Next, you will need to bring the password from our Instagram account. Click Continue. After that, confirm it again, click Continue. And then our account will be deactivated for a while. When we want to log back in, we can enter our username, password, and our account will be reactivated and we will be able to use it. This is a simple way to do it. If you helped them like this video, you can leave a like, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.